Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Korean street toast. Let's get started. Today, I'm gonna make Korean street food, which is called toast. The stove. It is really different than a Western toast. So I thought it might be interesting to show you guys. To get started, we need cabbages. We just need some of it, so I'm gonna slice it into half. I'm gonna julienne it and put it to the side. Next, we need a carrot. I'm gonna use a quarter of a carrot. Slice the bottom so it can lie flat on the cutting board and slice thinly. Press it hard and julienne it. Mix it with the cabbages and mix well. And this is how it looks. Next, we need 3 eggs. Crack them into the bowl. Add a pinch of salt and whisk it well. Once egg is well mixed, we're gonna add some veggies and combine and put it to the side. Next, get a pan and turn your stove on medium-low. Once pan is hot, we're gonna add some butter and we're gonna add our eggs. I'm gonna cut it half so it can fit into the bread. Flip it. Once both sides are cooked, turn your stove off and take it out. Tasty. Next, get another pan and turn your stove on medium-low. Once pan is hot, we're gonna add butter and put 2 slices of bread. Once one side is toasted, put more butter and flip it. Lower your stove and put your egg on top. On top of that, we're gonna put sugar. On top of that, we're gonna add cheese and some ketchup and some veggies. And turn your stove off and put the bread on top. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's cool. Oh! Freak! Dang it. I'm so sorry, but I forgot to put ham, so I'm gonna put it inside and cover it again. Get a cooking foil and put your toast on top. And wrap it well. Ta-da! That's it! Our Korean street toast is all ready to eat. Oh, it's hot. Eating time! Let's eat. Oh my gosh, so buttery. It smells so good. Super delicious. It tastes exactly same as the toast that sells right in front of my office. Oh my gosh. Okay. In Seoul, everyone's super busy, so they don't have time to eat breakfast in their house. So usually near the office, there's food truck that sells the Korean street toast. In the morning, you can see huge line. People are waiting for the toast and a coffee. Sometimes I have Korean street toast for the breakfast in front of my office, and I recreate it, and it's 3 times better because I put more filling. It tastes super good. And adding sugar on top of the egg makes super different, so you should definitely try it. That's the secret of this toast. The egg is very fluffy, cheese is very ooey gooey, and ham is melty. I don't know. And the veggies are so crunchy. There are so many different texture filling in my mouth, and I really love it. So you should definitely try. And if you try, please send me a picture through social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Kwon's Corner, something like that. I'm gonna put the link down below. So see you next week. 안녕. Super good. 안녕. Let me know what you have for the breakfast in your country. Bye bye! If you like this episode, please hit subscribe and the like button. And if you want to see more video, it's over there and over there. And if you have any requests, please comment down below. I'll make sure to cover it in a future episode. See you next week. 안녕!